So let's start. Go to insert and add a rounded corner rectangle. Change its color and give it outline. Give it gradient like this. Add gradient stops and change their color as I have done. Now change its color as well. Give different colors and change the angle's direction. Rotate the rectangle. Change the angle. Rotate it again. Decrease the angle. Rotate it like this. Now go to shape here and give it presets. Change the settings to as I have done. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel to get more videos like these. And don't forget to comment because your comments holds too much value for us. So let's continue. Now change its upper layer. Give it a background. Now go to insert and insert a rectangle like this right here. Change its color to white, remove its outline, decrease its size. Now go to insert and add another shape, which is this one. Adjust just like this, decrease its size. There you go. Now add a rectangle right here. Select both the shapes, go to merge and merge them. And remove the square and this remaining shape. Move this shape right here. Now add a triangle, rotate it, place it onto this one shape. Remove the rectangle from its place. Adjust the triangle. Now select both the shapes and merge them. Remove the remaining shapes and place the rectangle back to its place. There you go. Now change the shape's color and give it a preset of preset 3. Give it shadow. Now give it gradient of black and white. Change its angle and direction of the gradient. Add more gradient stops and change the color as I have done. The gradient stops have to be in order like I have given, or the color will not come as mine has come. So change the direction and angle of the gradient. Adjust the gradient stops, give it preset. Be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now let's continue. Change the background gradient like this to gray and white, which makes a silver contrast. Change the angle as well. Now change its color. Add gradient stops. . Now add the shape, give it gradient, paste it again, change its color and paste it again. Now you have to its size a little bit. Now select this shape and change its colors to give it a gradient of blue and white contrast. Like I have given the first and third shapes the color of golden, yellow, and black and white contrast. Add this arrow shape, decrease its size, add a rectangle, select both the shapes and merge them. Now delete these remaining shapes. There we go, the shape is ready. Add gradient as I have done, rotate it, there you go. Now give it gradient and add more gradient stops and change their color, adjust them. Add a dark blue color. That's all. Add a triangle shape and give it gradient of black. Adjust this gradient stops, add another gradient stop. Go to shadow corner and there we go. The shape is ready to act as a shadow of the shape we had made. Decrease its transparency. Increase its size right here. That's it. Place the shadow right here and then downward of the shape. You have to copy and paste the shadow below each of the shape. Now I have done that and I'm gonna change the rectangle's color. Now I'm gonna add a small diamond shape and change each of its color to the color of the shapes. Now select all of them and give them presets. Give them shadow as well. Give them preset of 3. Select all of them, place them right here and put them in order and place them next to each other. There you go, I have added the text. It's time to add the text into these shapes. Add step number 1 and change its color and increase its size. Paste it and paste it onto the next shape. There you go. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and check out our latest videos and playlist for more content like this.